Mike, today marks 1001 days since our story began. It's true what they say, your love story began when you least expect it. From our very first day, I was amazed by your goodness of your heart, sense of adventure, determination, and patience. You continuously encourage me to step outside my comfort zone. Because of this, I've immersed myself in activities I otherwise may not have tried, such as fat tire biking, cross-country skiing, and road cycling. And I know this is just the beginning. Mike, I'm in constant awe that I have found my best friend and my soulmate all within the same person. No, I don't want to cry.
You're so pretty. You're so pretty. You're so nice. I'm gonna be my ween wife.
To be your ween wife. Maybe a little ween family.
Oh my God. Wow.
Isn't I've been hiding from you?
Yeah, it's really nice. Oh my goodness.
Now Mike has chosen to call Beth Ween. I think it's because she's small, but does that make Mike Mr. Ween? When you have a kid, is it Tiny Ween? Baby Ween? Anyways, it's just food for thought this evening, just things to ponder.
You're getting married today.
We're getting married.
You look so handsome. Your suit looks so good on you.
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy too.
We knew she met the one when she managed to stay in one province for longer than a year. So thank you, Mike, for that. Mike, Mr. Ween. I see how you complete Beth. Your love for the outdoors, little Jasper bear, your sense of adventure and passion for biking. Together, you two are a match made in heaven.
It was somewhere over that peak, mountain biking on a beautiful January day, that I fell in love with you. Always positive, always cheery, treating my joy as your own. I knew right then and there I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you. Since then, we have been through so many adventures together, from conquering mountains on our road bikes in Italy to raising a beautiful, sweet, but demanding puppy. Each one of these adventures has brought me closer to you. You are tiny, but you are fierce. You're gentle, yet strong. Stubborn, yet, well, no, just stubborn. You are my love. You are my light. I've never felt more loved and cherished by another human than with you.
Bethany, and it's funny, Mike, you took the word out of my mouth today when you said she's fierce. She's fierce and she's determined. And she will be an amazing partner for you. And she will love you like no one else will. But now, Bethany and I have had our adventures. So I'm handing her to you for her greatest adventure yet.
She is tough. You approach new adventures and challenges with a smile on your face, and this is why you and Mike are such a perfect match together.
Mike has always been such an easy child to love. Mike and Bethany, we're so happy for you today. And we're very happy, Bethany, to say officially now, welcome to our family.
And as everyone knows in the Goss family, our dogs are very important to us. And I'd like to officially also welcome Jasper to the family.
Marriage takes hard work. It's not effortless, nor will it ever be perfect, but it can be beautiful. And like anything worthwhile in life, you have to do the work to reap the rewards.